So let's solve another very important question. If p of x equals cos x sin x minus sin x cos x, then show that p of x into p of y equals p of x plus y, that is also equals p of y into p of x. Okay, so if p of x is this one, then p of y will be what? So we'll just write as p of x into p of y, that is cos x sin x minus sin x cos x into p of y will be in place of x, we will put y, cos y sin y minus sin y cos y. Okay, yes, now let's multiply. So first row, first column, so cos x into cos y is cos x cos y. Sin x into minus sin y is minus, so here it will be plus minus sin x sin y. Okay. So the next element is cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. Okay, now here minus sin x cos y is minus sin x cos y. Then okay, so minus sin x cos y, then cos x plus cos x into minus sin y, right? So it will be minus sin y cos x. Now minus sin x sin y is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Okay, so this way we will get and we have an equation cos x plus y equals cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Just note down in your formula book. Okay, now sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, we have these equations. So just see here, okay, so here when we multiply, so this so we have an equation cos x cos of x plus y equals cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Just note down in your formula book. Okay, so according to that formulas, we can replace cos x cos y plus minus sin x sin y. So plus minus comes, right? So this will be minus. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y as cos x plus y. Similarly, cos x sin y plus sin x cos y will be sin x plus y. And here both are negative. Okay, so we can just take negative outside. Okay, so when we take negative outside, both term will turn to positive. Okay, so to just convert it into this form. Okay, so this will be sin x cos y plus sin y cos x. That will be sin of x plus y. Okay, excuses. Now this will be what? Minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. If we rearrange it, it will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, right? That is equal to cos x plus y. Fine. So this will be our P of x into P of y matrix. Okay. Now, so we can do our P of x into P of P of y into P of x matrix. So this matrix, since we can see all of them are x plus y, right? So this matrix is equal to P of x plus y. Okay, so we got P of x into P of y is equal to P of x plus y. Now we need to prove one more thing. These two, both of them are equal to P of y into P of x also. Okay, so we need to do P of y into P of x. So let's do that. P of y into P of x. So P of y first. All will change as x. Clear? So let's do the multiplication. Cos y cos x will be cos x cos y plus sin y into minus sin x will be minus sin x sin y. Okay. Now cos y sin x plus sin y cos x minus sin y cos x plus cos y minus sin x. So this will be minus sin x cos y, cos y sin x cos y plus cos y cos x. Okay, so here let's see, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is same as cos x plus y. Okay, then cos y sin x plus sin y cos x is same as sin x plus y. Okay, so similarly okay, so there is a change. This is minus sin y sin x. Okay, so here we can take the negative outside so that we will get as cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. Okay, that is sin of x plus y. then here it will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is same as cos x plus y. According to these properties. Okay, so what we got finally? So before we got the same thing for P of x into P of y matrix was the same, and this is equal to P of x plus y, and now we got the same matrix for P of y into P of x. So hence we proved P of y, P of x into P of y equals P of x plus y, that is also equals P of y into P of x. Clear? So just work out and get the clarity.